Hello friends, last time we have learned sentence. What is sentence? The simple definition of sentence I explain you, a group of words which gives complete sense is called sentence. I have cited one example here. Rani brings a paper. Here is a group of words which makes a complete sense, so this is called sentence. But I will give Rama do or does, but it doesn't give the complete meaning. Rama does means what does Rama do? We are not getting this complete meaning from these two words, so it cannot be a sentence. Sees. This is also group of two words. Sees means sees what? So it cannot be a sentence. So Rani brings a paper. It is a sentence. So now today we have to learn parts of sentence. Here we will take the same sentence. Rani brings a paper. How many parts of the sentence are there? There are only two major parts of a sentence. That is subject, and remaining part is called predicate. Rani is subject, brings a paper is predicate. And in the predicate, again there are two parts, verb, object. What is verb here? Bring is the verb. Object, paper. Object is a paper. So to identify or to recognize the main verb is a very simple job. It's not anywhere written in any book, but in the present form I have searched it. I have found it. In the present form of any word which has got the at last ने, म्हणजेच त्याच्या प्रेझेंट टेन्स मधल्या रूपामध्ये शेवटी ने हा प्रत्यय ज्याच्यामध्ये असतो ते मेन वर्ब असतं. ब्रिंग, कम. ब्रिंग मीन्स आणणे, कम मीन्स येणे, ईट मीन्स खाणे, मीन ने. So all three together are the main verbs. So here today I'll write 3-4 sentences, or even if I'll give the 5 sentences also. From them you underline subject and predicate. Sita eats a mango. Rani brings a notebook. Suppose these two sentences I have given. So here let us recognize which is the subject and which is the predicate. Sita, subject, right there, yes only. Remaining part, eats a mango, is the predicate. Rani brings a notebook. So Rani is the subject, remaining part is predicate. So dear friends, today we have learned only, revision of definition of sentence and different parts of the sentence. In revision, we have again learned a group of words which gives complete sense is called sentence. Here I have cited one example. Rani brings a paper. It is a group of words which makes the complete sense. So here these two group of words I have given, but they doesn't carry the complete sense. So they are not the sentences. So again, a sentence has got the two parts. Which two parts are there? The same sentence we have taken, Rani brings a paper. So here Rani is the subject and brings a paper is predicate. So every sentence has got two parts, subject and predicate. Subject and predicate. Okay? Thank you.